Hi everyone, today I will talk about health education. Health is the concerns of everyone for everyone. If the person is not healthy, he or she cannot have wealth. So let us see the definitions of health. Health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely an absence of disease or infirmity. That is according to the WHO. Next we will see about definitions of health educations. Health education is a process by which individuals and groups of people learns to behave in a manner conducive to the promotion, maintenance or restorations of health. Let us see the principles of health education. The first one is the quality of being trusted in or believe in. The feeling of wanting to know or learn about something or someone. The actions of taking part in something, motivation, ability to understand something, and encouraging learning by doing, known to unknown, setting an example, good human relationship, feedback and leaders. These are the few points we have listed out here as the principles of health education. Next we will see practice or method of health educations. In this method of health educations we have divided into two, that is audiovisual aids and methods in health communication. Here audiovisual aids. No health educations can be effective without audiovisual aids. These audiovisual aids help to simplify unfamiliar concepts, bring about understanding where words failed, reinforce learning by appealing to more than one sense, provide a dynamic way of avoiding monotony. So that is why we require this method of health educations in audio-visual aids. Let us see the type of audio-visual aids. Here three types of audio-visual aids, that is auditory aids, visual aids and combined AV aids. Here in auditory aids, that is only for listening. It may be include radio, tape recorder, microphones, amplifiers and earphones. In visual aids, it is visible, appearing. Here we have divided into two types, that is not requiring projection and requiring projection. Then combined AV aids, it is like both auditory and visual will be joining together. Here that is why we said it combined AV aids, that is television, sound film, slide tape combinations. Now let us see the second part, what we have mentioned about the visual aids. In that we have already mentioned that two types of projection, that is not requiring projections and requiring projection. Here in not requiring projections, though we can see and we can appear, we can visual, but still we used to have non-projection, that is chalkboard, leaflets, poster, charts, flannel graph, exhibits, models and specimen. So these are the items we can see without projection. And requiring projections, it might be used slides or film strips, so that comes under the requiring projections for visual aids. And already I have mentioned about that combined AV aids, that is like televisions, sound films, that is cinema or slide tape combinations. So these are the three types of AV aids. Now let us move to the methods in health communications. In this health communications, again we have divided into three groups, that is individual approach, group approach and mass approach. In individual approach, it might be personal contact or it might be for home visits or personal letters. And group approach, lectures, demonstration, discussion method. In that discussion method, again it might be for group discussion, panel discussion, symposium, workshop, conference, seminar, role play, etc. And again in the mass approach, it might be from televisions, radio, newspaper, printed materials, direct mailing, posters, health museums and exhibitions, and folk methods, and also use internet. So these are the methods in health educations for health communications. So these are the points what I have mentioned about methods in the health communications. I will repeat. First one is individual approach, group second is group approach, and third is mass approach. So this is the short health educations content for today's talk. So if you like this video, please you subscribe, share and like. Thank you very much.